Today on Southern Gardening, we're visiting the trial gardens at the MSU Truck Crops Branch Experiment Station in Crystal Springs, Mississippi, looking at 3 beautiful selections from the Luscious Lantana series. First up is Luscious Vanilla Breeze Lantana. This variety creates a soft, elegant look in the garden, with clusters of creamy white flowers accented by hints of pale yellow. The blooms have a fresh, vanilla-like appearance that brightens up the landscape. If you want to add a little tropical sunshine to your garden, take a look at Luscious Citrus Blend Lantana. The flower clusters create a beautiful mix of warm citrus colors, blending shades of red, golden yellow, orange, and soft peach. The changing colors of the blooms give the plant a dynamic appearance, almost like having several plants growing together. For gardeners who love pink tones, Luscious Pinkberry Blend Lantana delivers a beautiful display of berry-inspired colors. The flower clusters combine shades of pink, magenta, and soft lavender, creating a vibrant summer show. Like other lantanas, these varieties thrive in full sun and perform best when planted in well-drained soil. Once established, they are very heat tolerant and don't require constant attention. Any of these Luscious Lantanas is sure to bring summer-long beauty to your garden. I'm Eddie Smith, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Southern Gardening.